We've all been there. You accidentally click the delete button and your assignment disappears into cyberspace. And panic sets in. What do you do? Well, thankfully, Canvas has this hidden feature, hidden for who knows what reason, where you can restore things that you delete in your course. And it's really easy to get to if you know how to do it. So if you go up to your URL, you'll see the URL along with the course number. Depending on what page you're on, you might see a lot of things after your course number. Simply highlight everything after the course number slash and type in undelete. So your URL will read yourinstitution.instructure.com/courses/your course number/undelete. Click enter and you'll see a list of items that have been deleted. You can simply click restore and those will be returned to your course. And make sure you click OK to that little pop-up. And when you go back to the assignments area or the discussions area or the quizzes area, you'll see that these items have now been restored. Pretty simple. All you need to remember is undelete.